Lauren with ExplorationWorks. We're going to do some science outside. I'm here at the Exploration Garden, so let's go get started.
Today we're going to make a tool that will help you see things that are really small. This tool will fit in the palm of your hand and you'll be able to take it with you outside to do science. What kind of tool do you think that is? That's right, we're going to be making a magnifying glass. And you can make one with things you already have in your house. Here's what you'll need. To make your magnifying glass, you'll need a few things. You need a bottle, plastic, clear. This is a 2-liter pop bottle. It works nice to make a big magnifying glass, but you can use any kind of plastic bottle that has a round top. You will also need a permanent marker, any color, scissors, string, again, any color, about a foot, anything string-like will work, and you'll need some water. I have a lot of water. You only need a little bit for the magnifying glass, but you need to stay hydrated when you're outside, so the rest is for drinking. First thing you're going to do, take your bottle, take your permanent marker, and draw a circle about 4 to 5 inches wide, 4 to 5 inch diameter, right on that round part of the bottle. You will also want to draw a little tab, this little sticky out bit. What do you think that's going to be? That is going to be the handle. So we'll cut out the circle and we'll also cut out that little tab part. Now, cutting it out can be kind of tricky because scissors is going to have a hard time just chomping into this bottle. So what I recommend with an adult is to pinch the bottle. Try not to crinkle the part that's going to be your magnifying lens. Crunch the bottle, give it something to bite into, because all you really need is an opening in the bottle to get your scissors into. Now I can take my scissors and I can cut out this big piece. And later, after I get this out, I'm going to do kind of the detail cutting, fine cutting. I'll cut out all around the red lines there. So now I have my magnifying glass cut out. I have a little tab that I'll use as a handle, and I'm ready to make it portable. To do that, I take a string and some tape, which wasn't in the supply list, but I bet you have some hiding somewhere. This is some fancy paper tape. I would recommend using some duct tape. That's going to stay together and be waterproof. But this is what I have, so this is what I'll use. I'm going to put one end of my string on either side of my magnifying glass, so that I kind of make a magnifying glass sandwich with my string. Then I'm going to get a piece of my tape. And I'm just going to get those pieces of string to stay on there. After they're stuck, I will be able to do more of the fancy taping. So now we have our portable magnifying glass, and it was so easy, but it's not done yet. We need to add a little bit of water to create the lens. Oop, and it's okay if you spill. To create the lens that's going to magnify what we're looking at. Let's test it out on a little bit of writing, some printed material. So we've got, oh, hey look, it says ExplorationWorks. We've got our printed material and we see it normal size, magnified size. How cool is that? So our magnifying glass works with printed material, but what about something super cool like bugs? It totally works. But how does it work? To understand how our magnifying glass works, we have to think about how our eyes see images. Light enters our eyes, like I see those birds over there, because the light is bringing the image to my eyes. But what's really cool about a magnifying glass is that the lens, being curved, bends the light. And a magnifying glass lens is curved outward, like the outside of a bowl. So it bends the light out. So any light rays that enter go crooked. And that means we see the image bigger. So when I look at my friend, June beetle, right here, that I found here in the ExplorationWorks garden, with my magnifying glass, it looks really, really cool. Now you go out and take your magnifying glass, see what you can find.